Welcome to SPED.
And it was created by Sarah Alicia, Rima Coker, Lily Khan, and Cal Burton. So, as we all know, due to the COVID-19 pandemic, schools were forced to suddenly shut down, and learning was made completely remote. And remote learning was challenging for all students. But according to recent studies and surveys, the children it affected the most were children with learning disabilities. In the new remote learning environment, children with learning disabilities were not able to receive as much attention and support as they would in the regular classroom from their teachers. The lack of assistance that they receive led these children to be left behind from other kids their age.
So, what does SPED do? So, SPED aims to give quality education to children with learning disabilities through our features that aid all types of learners. These features include Emotion Recognizer, which allows teachers to gauge their student moods and then adjust their lesson accordingly. And next is Augmented Reality Learning, to show items better remotely, such as having a 3D skeleton so you can learn it so much more thoroughly. And next there is Text-to-Speech, which aims to help people with vision or reading disabilities.
Additionally, we also have a speech to text feature, and this feature primarily caters to children who have writing disabilities and poor communication skills. It can help children with dyslexia and dysgraphia.
And so, here's our demo. Hi, welcome to Specialized Education, which aims to revolutionize remote learning for children with learning disabilities. So here are a few of our features such as an emotion detector camera, augmented reality learning, text-to-speech learning, and also speech-to-text learning. Here is our why and inspiration, and so let's just start with the first feature, which is emotion camera. Now we can just click start and wait for the camera to pop up. As you can see, if I keep my face flat, it will detect it as normal. And then if I play my phone on the side, it's going to detect it as distracted. This feature is very useful for teachers to analyze their learning and then adjust it according to their student feedbacks. And next, on the bottom of the page, we have other resources, as you can see over here. And if you click on it, it will bring you to a video. Okay, so now let's go to our augmented reality feature. So the function of this feature is to show us a 3D model of things that we can learn. For example, let's see how a human brain looks like. So now you can learn it so much more thoroughly. And you can also use the augmented reality feature to have it pop up real time. And you can turn your phone around to view it better. Here we also have a human skull over here with great detail. Now let's view it in AR. There are a lot of other educational models on our website that you can try out. Okay, so let's get to our next feature, which is this speech learning. Okay, so now we can click the start recognition to record your voice and record your notes. This is very useful for people with visual disability as well as reading disabilities. So let's start with an example. Chlorophyll is used for plants to photosynthesize. And then we can stop it, and then you can save your note and it will show up right over here with your time and everything. And then you can click listen to note to hear it read back to you.
Chlorophyll is used for plants to photosynthesize.
See, it's very useful. And the notes will be stored in our database, so you can review it at any time you want. Not only that, you can do more than one note, so I'm going to do another one. Chlorophyll is also green and is one of the cells in plants. Save note, and then it will show up right on the bottom. Here is a little peek of our code structure, as you can see over here. This is for our AR page, and then here is for our camera page. And so much more. To build SPED, we utilize various language and frameworks such as those in the page right now. We created SPED in a very limited time, so here's what we will add if we have more time. Thank you so much for viewing our project. Hopefully you like it and have a great day.